To fix the issue of Google Photos not downloading the photos, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If you are trying to download the photos from Google Photos and if you are not being able to download it, then there may be some kind of issue of the sync or backup or the network issue, or there may be also some kind of app glitches. Now to fix it, you just need to watch this video till the very end. The first thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of strong data. So if your device is not connected to any of it, then that may also be the reason you are not being able to download the photos from the Google Photos itself. Secondly, you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So after turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, this helps you to reset all the network settings on the device and also helps you to fix the bugs and errors. Thirdly, you just need to check for any update available for the app. So if there is any kind of update available for the app, you just need to go on Play Store or App Store and see if there is any kind of update available for it. So if there is any kind of update, then you just need to update the app and you just need to make sure that it is available for the latest version. The fourth option and the last option you just need to do is that you just need to restart the device and try to download the photos again and see if it works or not. So by restarting the device, it surely works on it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.